Welcome to Hands-on Equations, Fractions Lesson 9. In this lesson, we will work on equations that have more than one constant, including a negative constant. Our first problem is 3/2 of y plus 10 equals 4. So since 1/2 is my fractional value, our fractional unit, we will be solving for 1/2 of y for y and then completing the check. So this is the setup for my problem. 3/2 of y plus 10 equals 4. So our goal is to have fractions blocks on only one side of our scale. So to do that, we need to get rid of this 10, which is on the left side of my scale with my fractions blocks. So to do that, I can add a negative 10 to each side. So these two cancel each other out, and a 4 and a negative 10 result in a negative 6. So I now have that 3/2 y equals 6. So if 3/2 y equals 6, then 1/2 y equals negative 2. I'm sorry, 3/2 y equals negative 6, so 1/2 y equals negative 2. So my solution is that 1/2 of y equals negative 2, which means that y, which is double, is negative 4, and then I'll set my equation back up to do my check. So if y is negative 4 and 1/2 of y is negative 2, I have negative 6 on this side. A negative 6 and a positive 10 give me a 4. And then on this side, I also have a 4. So my check is 4 equals 4. My next problem is 5/6 of y plus 2 equals negative 13. So I am solving for 1/6 of y and y. So my problem setup is like this. 5/6 of y plus 2 is equal to negative 13. So again, I want my fractions blocks by themselves on one side of the scale, so I need to get rid of this 2, and I can accomplish that by giving a negative 2 value to each side. So these two become 0 and cancel out. A negative 13 and a negative 2 results in a negative 15. So I now have that 5/6 of y is equal to negative 15. So if 5/6 of y is equal to negative 15, 1/6 of y is equal to negative 3. So if 1/6 of y is equal to negative 3, then y is equal to negative 18, and then I can set my equation back up in order to do my check. So with 1/6 of y being equal to negative 3, on this side I have negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, negative 15. Negative 15 and a positive 2 gives me a negative 13, and on this side I have a negative 13. So my check is negative 13 equals negative 13. You are now ready to complete your work for lesson 9.